Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting one of the most important goals under the United Nations 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goal for Quality Education. What is SDG 4? SDG 4 aims to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. This means making sure that every person, regardless of gender, income, or location, has access to good education from early childhood to adulthood. Why is quality education important? Education is the foundation of our future. It helps reduce poverty, improves health, promotes gender equality, and drives economic growth. Without education, individuals struggle to break free from the cycle of poverty, and communities stay underdeveloped.
The current challenges. Despite progress, many people still don't have access to education. Around 224 million children and youth worldwide are still out of school. In some areas, schools lack proper classroom, book and train. Teacher gender inequality, poverty, conflict and distance from school make it harder for students to learn. What does SDG 4 target? By 2030, SDG 4 aim to provide free, equitable primary and secondary education for all, offer affordable technical and vocational training, eliminate gender disparity in education, improve literacy and numeracy, still skill, in short, save and inclusive learning environment.
What can we do to help the students, teachers, and citizens? We can support SDG 4 by promoting the value of education in our communities, volunteering to tutor others, supporting government programs that help schools, using our voices on social media to raise awareness. In my conclusion, SDG 4 quality education is not just a goal, it's a promise. A promise that no one should be left behind, and that every person deserves the chance to learn and grow. Education opens the door to a better future for individuals, families, and the world.
Let's support this goal together and help build a future where quality education is a right, not a privilege. Thank you.